Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children, we are going through the revolt of 1857, history, chapter 5, standard 8. And you know, already we have completed the lesson. So today we'll have exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, the revolt in Ara was led by Dash. A. Nana Saheb. B. Kunwar Singh. C. Sir Charles Wood. D. Tatia Top. Answer option B. Kunwar Singh. Second, the Enfield rifle was introduced in the army in dash. A. 1857. B. 1856. C. 1858. D. 1859. Answer option B. 1856. Third, Bahadur Shah was deported to dash. A. Dhaka. B. Nepal. C. Rangoon. D. Gwalior. Answer option C. Rangoon. 4. Who declared himself as the Peshwa? A. Tatia Top. B. Mangal Pandey. C. Ajimullah. D. Nana Saheb. Answer option D. Nana Saheb. 5. Which of the following was not a reason for the failure of the revolt? A. The rebel had no centralized planning or foresight. B. The Indians fought with modern weapons. C. The newly educated Indians remained unsympathetic to the revolt. D. The revolt remained limited to only northern and central India. Answer option B. The Indians fought with modern weapons. Exercise B. Match the following. First, Jhansi. Option A. Rani Lakshmibai. Second, Delhi. Option D. Bahadur Shah II. Third, Lucknow. Option A. Hazrat Mahal. 4. Kanpur. Option C. Nana Saheb. 5. Ara. Option B. Kunwar Singh. Children, also answer is written under the match the following. Exercise C. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, give an account of the immediate cause of the 1857 revolt. Answer. The use of greased cartridges in the Enfield rifle was the immediate cause of the 1857 revolt. Second, which states were annexed by the British through the doctrine of lapse? Answer. The states which were annexed by the British through the doctrine of lapse were Satra, Jhansi, Sambalpur, Nagpur and Awadh. Third, discuss any two economic policies adopted by the British that affected the lives of artisans and craftsmen. Answer. First, the artisans and craftsmen were ruined because of large-scale import of cheap goods manufactured by British. Second, on the other hand, Indians' goods were subjected to very heavy duties when sold in England. Question 4. How were religious sentiments of the Indian soldiers hurt in the British Army? Answer. The British had forbidden wearing of sectarian marks such as tilak, turban or beard, which hurt the religious sentiments of the Indians in the British Army. 5. What was the most important effect that emerged after the revolt of 1857? Answer. The revolt marked an end to the rule of the East India Company and the administration was taken over by Queen Victoria in 1858. Also, the revolt proved to be a major source of inspiration and raised patriotic sentiments among the people. Okay children, these are the question answers with objectives. Please write the question answer with objectives in your copy and submit the copy in the school for corrections so that you could get marks in the copy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.